Make sure that they're all fully pulling in. I'm Jack Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. This is a trim tool here for an ABS thermoform back panel. Before shipping these tools out, there's a couple unique things we need to do to make sure that they're ready to go, shows up to the customer with no problems. I'm going to show you a few of those things that we do. When doing QC on our trim tools, it's really critical that all the holes inside these gasket material all pull a full vacuum to make sure the part doesn't move around or chatter while they trim. So to do that, we take a little smoke machine here, take them around to all the holes, make sure that they're all fully pulling in. We'll go around one by one to fully ensure that the tool's pulling a good vacuum and the part's not going to move around while they're trimming their parts. Another cool thing we do is we put some cut pieces of plastic inside the gasket material and put a vacuum on it, and if it didn't have a vacuum, it would look something like this. This is another QC procedure we do. We put a thin piece of plastic over the tool, drape it over to all four sides and make it seal like it would when it's thermoforming. This is something we do before we go and check each individual hole with the smoke machine like you saw earlier. But just a thin piece of plastic draped over the tool, making sure that it pulls everywhere it needs to pull, and it also indicates where we need to drill extra vacuum holes if needed, and make sure that we check those really good with the smoke machine. So this is a good first test for vacuum. I can't give you guys all my secret powers, okay, but these are just a few things we do to all of our tools before we ship them out, and also while they're in process, to make sure the customer's going to get a good tool, it's going to work well, pull a good vacuum, and form good parts for their customers. For any of your upcoming projects, reach out. We'd love to help you guys out.